Welcome to a Now Explain Rough Cut video. This video is part of our manual bookkeeping series. You can find related videos on our YouTube channel or search the internet for a Now Explain Rough Cut. So now, let's get explaining. Sales Credit Note Daybook, what it is and why we need this daybook. We're dealing with manual bookkeeping. There's no computers. Pen and paper bookkeeping using daybooks, also called the books of original entry, also known as first entry or prime entry daybooks. We are collecting information from the source documents. What is a daybook? A daybook is a list of your transactions, invoices, payments, written down in sequence in a book. In days of old, this was done daily. Each day sales were written into a book, so we get the term daybook. Related daybooks: the sales invoice daybook, the bank receipts daybook, all related to the sales credit note daybook. So similar and related terms used: customers, clients, debtors, accounts receivable, they're all interchangeable. Receipts, money in, lodgements, electronic funds transfers, payments. A daybook imagined by you. And what a modern daybook looks like. A big red book. Often these modern daybooks are referred to as big red books. Why big red book? Because some of these red books can be very big. Why are they big? Depending on how many columns you need. More columns, bigger book. Maybe this big. This book has 30 analysis columns. The columns will be very narrow. Here we are inside an empty sales credit note daybook. Example of a sales credit note daybook with VAT analysis only. Let us see how this sales credit note is recorded in our sales credit note daybook. Here is where our sales credit note details are recorded. Here is the sales credit note with the daybook entry side by side. You can see the information taken from the sales credit note. The name of the customer, the credit note number, and the total of this credit note. So let's explain the credit note daybook columns. The date of the sales credit note. Customer, the name of the customer who returned the items. Credit note number, the index number given to the invoice so it can be tracked. Yes, all these items should be on a sales credit note. The next three columns in our daybook: total, VAT and net. Total, the total value of this credit note that the customer is due to receive, including VAT. VAT, the amount of VAT contained in the total value of the sales credit note. Net, the value of the items before any VAT is charged. Yes, you should have this information on your sales credit note. And totaling the columns. Each column that contains values must be totaled. Total, VAT and net columns must be totaled. By totaling each column, this allows us to see what the total credits are for the day, week, month. In this example, we are seeing the monthly credits value. This sales credit note daybook lists the two sales credit notes for the month of January. Why can't we just have a total column? Because the total of the VAT column will be used in the calculation of your VAT return. The total of the net column is the total credits issued, how much you credited for the month of January. VAT and net are needed for you and your business. And that's how you set up a sales credit note daybook, and why the sales credit note daybook is set up shown using these columns: the date, the customer, invoice number, total, VAT, net. This is the basic sales credit note daybook layout. We did no detailed analysis of VAT or sales. More columns can be added to provide more analysis, such as an analysis of what items were returned. Watch out for our videos on sales credit note daybook with analysis. For more information, go to nowexplain.com. Thank you for watching.